In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We'll walk through how to start a meeting in Google Meet, control your microphone, and choose the right audio device so you sound clear and professional. First, open your web browser and go to Google Meet. If you're asked to sign in, make sure you're using the account you want for the meeting. The site may prompt you to allow microphone access. Click Allow so Meet can use your mic. Without that permission, people won't hear you. Next, select Start an Instant Meeting. This opens a meeting room right away, which is perfect for quick check-ins or a fast audio test. You'll land in the meeting view with your controls visible along the bottom. If your browser asks again for microphone permissions, confirm them here as well. Now, look for the microphone icon on the meeting toolbar. Click it to turn your mic on or off. When the icon shows a slash, you're muted. When the slash is gone, you're live. A good habit is to stay muted while you're not speaking to reduce background noise, then unmute when it's your turn. If you see an input level indicator moving while you speak, that means Meet is picking up your voice. To fine-tune your sound, open the audio settings. You can access this from the settings panel within the meeting. Once you're there, choose the audio section. This is where you control which microphone Meet uses and verify everything is working as expected. Under the microphone option, select the device you want. If you're using a USB mic, a headset, or earbuds, pick that specific device from the list. If you're relying on your computer's built-in mic, choose the internal option. Speak a few words and watch for the input meter to bounce. That confirms Meet is hearing you. If nothing moves, double-check that you selected the correct microphone and that no other app is holding it exclusively. If your device doesn't appear, try unplugging and reconnecting it, then refresh the page so Meet can detect it. Also, make sure your system's sound settings aren't muted and that the right input device is chosen at the operating system level. Changes you make in Meet's audio settings take effect immediately, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. That's it. You've opened Google Meet, started an instant meeting, mastered the mute toggle, accessed audio settings, and selected the right microphone. With these basics set, you'll be heard clearly every time you join a call.